Application for conducting examination for the session 2021-22 for the course GNM. Second is for declaration of result of first year examination for GNM session 2022-23. These are the two applications which requires my lord.
Who have filed those applications?
My lord, the one application has been presented by the council, my lord, MPNRC, and one has been preferred by the petitioners, my lord.
You are appearing for the council.
I am appearing for the council.
Your application is in which petition?
That is, my lord, WP 1080, my lord.
The lead petition.
Yes, my lord, and
So
it is at serial number 337 in the reference, my lord.
What is your application?
Yes, my lord, my application is, my lord, on the basis of
No, which is your application?
337, my lord, in the ERP, my lord, serial number 337.
7.
G.
Yes. So, what is the ground for seeking permission?
Yes, my lord. My lord, along with the application, my lord, firstly, I have brought on record, my lord, the earlier orders by which, my lord, we had conducted the examination with respect to earlier sessions, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, how the matter has progressed to the present time, my lord, where we are seeking examination of a third year GNM, my lord.
Now, why was their examination stopped?
My lord, in the year 2022, my lord, there was an inspection which was carried out by the Gwalior bench, my lord, in furtherance to which our 10-member committee was constituted, and the colleges in Chambal regions were inspected, nursing colleges of Chambal region. Now, subsequently, my lord, what had happened when these colleges around, mostly the colleges were weeded out, my lord, but some of the colleges were remaining. When the second time there was a direction issued for a CBI inquiry, those orders have been uploaded by me also. When that order was passed, my lord, that there will be a CBI inquiry with respect to entire state, not just the Chambal region, my lord. There were 123 colleges, my lord, which went to Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court, and Honorable Supreme Court was pleased to restrain CBI inquiry with respect to those 123 colleges because they were already inspected in an earlier round of litigation in a PIL. So, my lord, however, with respect to the other colleges, my lord, there was a direction to the CBI to conduct an inquiry. Now, when
these are the other colleges or
yes, these are the other colleges. These are not Supreme Court protected colleges, yes, my lord. Now, when these other colleges were inspected, my lord, the CBI noticed large scale, my lord, deficiencies so far as the infrastructure is concerned. They also found that there is duplicacy of teachers also, that one teacher is serving in multiple colleges.
So then what happened?
Now, thereafter, my lord, there was categorization in three parts, my lord. One was suitable colleges as per CBI inquiry. Second was deficient colleges. Third was unsuitable colleges, my lord. Now, so far as the deficient college was concerned, there was a high power committee which was constituted by this court.
Suitable colleges are concerned, they are out.
They are out, my lord. Although since the matter is, the Honorable Court is seized of the matter, my lord, so their examinations and their declaration of results is also being done in furtherance to the Honorable Court's order, my lord. And so far as unsuitable colleges and deficient colleges are concerned, my lord, there was a high power committee which was constituted because some of the colleges were such, my lord, that there was infrastructure wise they were fulfilling the criteria. But so far as, my lord, supposedly there was a library, books were less, there was classrooms where there were amenities were less. But then, my lord, so Honorable Court was of the view that they should be given an opportunity to rectify these deficiencies, and the committee would verify whether they have rectified it or not. And thereafter, my lord, the steps were to be taken as to whether they'll be treated as suitable or they'll to be again classified as unsuitable. So, my lord, these proceedings, when they were going on, my lord, at that point of time, there was an agitation among the students also that they served the primary health centers, community health centers at the time of COVID and everything, and they are not being permitted to take examination, and there is complete stagnancy as far as their career progression is concerned. So the Honorable Court, by way of interim orders on various dates, my lord, permitted the students to take examination, and after the examination was done, thereafter they were permitted, the result was permitted, my lord. Now, in the same line, my lord,
that result is withheld.
For the first year,
for that exam result is withheld.
Yes.
Now you are wanting permission of the next exam.
Yes, I am wanting. No, my lord,
now,
that's a different
what is the
session.
status of the first examination colleges?
Yes, my lord, we have furnished, my lord, if my lord may have a reference column, my lord, in that, my lord, we have submitted a serial number 24 in the reference column, my lord. Now, this is with respect to the suitable college list, my lord, which is there. So far as session 22-23 is concerned.
No, suitable colleges you are saying were out.
Yes, my lord, but the students, the result for those students have also not been declared as on date, my lord. And in fact, the examination for them also is required to be done in furtherance to the permission from this honorable court.
No, you categorize every college as suitable?
Yes, this is the list of suitable colleges only. Other than that, they are unsuitable or deficient.
Who has determined this category?
My lord, this is based on report of the CBI and thereafter the report submitted by the High Power Committee constituted
Who
in furtherance.
categorized them as suitable?
CBI and High Power Committee, my lord.
Where is that categorization by them?
My lord, it has been done on different dates, my lord, because the reports have been submitted by the CBI after conducting inspection in the entire
Who is appearing
state.
for CBI? You are appearing.
My lord.
And committee?
And the committee, my lord, on different dates have given opportunity of hearing to all the colleges, my lord, which were held to be deficient or unsuitable.
So, you are seeking permission for declaration of result of these suitable colleges?
For the session 22-23, GNM first year.
एग्जाम के लिए
Declaration of result of
सब
all
के
the colleges.
All the colleges.
Not
That
only
I'll,
suitable colleges.
not
All
suitable.
colleges,
Well, I am
yes.
seeking with
You are
respect to.
seeking permission to declare the result of the exam which was conducted for the students of all the colleges.
My lord, my lord.
And the
Second, you are seeking.
even unsuitable colleges?
The students were permitted for unsuitable colleges also.
How do you declare their result?
Yes. Now, what had
There are
happened?
three categories.
Madam.
One is suitable.
No, madam.
Now, if the committee and CBI has categorized them as suitable, that is one issue.
Madam.
Then there are deficient colleges for which deficiency has, you said, were to be removed
They have been
and then to be re-inspected.
Yes.
Has that re-inspection
Yes,
happened?
that was done by High Power Committee only, physically verified.
And has the high power committee again recategorized some of them?
Yes, some of them were recategorized as suitable, some
Some
of
are
them were
unsuitable.
recategorized as unsuitable. Madam.
And third category is completely unsuitable.
Unsuitable.
All right.
Now, so there is just one aspect which my lord, I should have pointed out also. My lord, there is another aspect is that, my lord, during this period when this classification was being carried out, the honorable court was of the view that the students in the unsuitable colleges, they are required to be shifted in the suitable colleges, the seats which are lying vacant in the suitable colleges, my lord. So that exercise has already been undertaken, my lord. Now, with
Were they shifted?
yes, my lord, they have all been shifted. Day
No.
before yesterday, they have already been done, my lord.
And-
Allocation has been done.
And they commence their education from day one or future?
From
ahead.
the ahead.
From ahead, my lord.
Ahead, my lord.
How do you accept that?
My lord, for that, my lord, there was
They have
a.
not been shifted.
Unsuitable
They are not being shifted,
students.
and
My
secondly,
lord, he has no locus, my lord. Not even a notice has been issued in his case. They last
It's
time
my
in the last
PIL,
paper
my
wherein
lord, they
seeking
file
guidance
another
from-
PIL and
I'll point out that
226,
also.
One second.
He
take
has nothing to
data
say.
from my PIL and now
Copy paste, my lord.
Vagricha, no? Mr. Vagricha, we are getting to the root of the matter. You are appearing for the law students.
yes, I am.
You are saying shut down all these colleges.
Yes,
Mr. Vasti,
My lord.
somebody has, how many year course is this?
My lord, there are degree courses and there are diploma courses, my lord.
So,
Diploma
ranging
courses are
from-
3 years and degree
ranging
courses
from-
are 4 years.
3 to 4 years.
Yes.
Somebody studied 2 years in a non-existent college. You shift him to an existent college, so in 2 years he qualifies the degree.
My lord, the rule, my lord, provides this only that whenever we cancel any recognition.
Mr. Vasti, there is a difference.
My lord.
A recognition granted for some infraction, recognition taken away.
Well.
That means in the first instance that college was compliant. Supposing number of teacher goes down
My lord.
or there is no principal for a period of time for whatever reason,
My lord.
you withdraw recognition. Those will be categorized as people who will be shifted to regularized colleges.
Ji.
Non-existent colleges, nursing college running in a one shop. We have instances of that
yes,
also. Can you say that their students be shifted after 2 years or 3 years?
My lord, in this context, in this very context, if my lord may just have an order sheet, my lord, that is, my lord, order sheet dated 11/3/2024. In this context, my lord.
This issue has not been considered at the time of passing the order of shifting,
Ji.
that whether they should be shifted in the same class or they should start their,
No, that was not done.
that was
No.
not considered.
Rule 9 was
Even it
directed.
was not considered that whether the colleges, those are actually not in existence and someone has cleared 1 year, 2 year in that college, what will happen to those students?
And
They will be
Mr.
treated at
Avasti,
par with the colleges, those were.
what is the stand? You are appearing for the medical commission.
My lord, the MPNRC, my lord, Nursing
Nursing
Registration
Commission.
Council.
How can the nursing commission take this stand? Please tell us. If the nursing commission is taking this stand, then the persons running the nursing commission are not fit to hold this position.
Malord, this is precisely why I am pointing out this order. This
This
was not
order-
as, this was the Honorable Court's order, my lord.
Mr. Awasthi,
Malord.
what is the view of the nursing commission?
My lord, as far as us
They are
are
happy
concerned,
with this
we have
order?
cancelled it. We have cancelled their recognition. Only
Then-
the good
then
colleges
where
are
is the
running which are
question-
245 in
Then
number.
where is the question of seeking permission to declare the result
Because
and
there
hold
was an order
examination?
of the court, my lord, and we are complying with that order. If my lord, therefore, my lord, I am inviting my
Does
lord.
this order say that you will now declare the result and you will hold fresh examination?
All those orders have been annexed in this compilation, my lord. If my lord will just
Let's
have
look at that order. What was
11/3/24 for a moment, my
Yes,
lord.
we
After
are
that,
on-
it will be further clear, my lord. 11/3/2024, my lord.
Yes.
Now, in this, my lord may have in internal page 5. Internal page 5, my lord. These are the interlocutory applications, my lord. The decision have been taken on the interlocutory application filed by the students. My lord may have by way of application. The
Yes.
para. By way of application, that is IA number 3407/24
That's all right.
and such and such. The students of unsuited colleges have made a request in unison that they may also be allowed to intervene in the matter and they may also be permitted to participate in the examination as has been done in the case of the students of suited and deficient colleges. Averred it is in the application that the student got admitted in unsuited college have provided their services in the government health centers during outbreak of COVID-19, in that the doctors and permanent staffs avoided their obligation in fear of peril in their life, to their life, and when these students were asked to come out, they without caring to their life participated in the mayhem by discharging duties in the government health centers. It is also averred in the application that as regards the observation of this court in the order dated 8/2024, giving reference to decision of Supreme Court in INRI National Council for Teachers Education versus such and such, that since the students are graduate, they are mentally sound to take decision in respect of choosing appropriate college for seeking admission. These students cannot be compared with the students who are graduate and can understand in better perspective about their future. Ergo, they want modification of the part of the order dated 8/2024, which restrain the students of unsuited colleges from taking part in the examination, but allows the students of the other colleges which are in the category of suited and deficient. Lastly, it is requested that if the students are not allowed to participate in the examination, who are not at fault, will definitely lose their at least 3 to 4 year of academic session. On careful consideration of the documents made appendage to this application, it transpires that these students had borne the brunt of the responsibility when regular government staff took to their heels. Further, these students are not graduate and their mental status cannot be equated with the students who are graduate, nor are they in the circumference of the students whom the Supreme Court had repelled to favor.
Same order.
Thus, we are of the opinion that the order dated 8/2024 is modified to the extent that the students of the unsuited colleges shall also be permitted to participate in the examination, but their arrangement and benefit would be one-time measure, and if they do not clear the
This is an
examination.
interim measure.
Yes, so,
We are not accepting this order.
my lord, this is, no,
Sorry.
but, my lord,
And they
this
failed
is-
the examination and they also
my lord,
conducted
they never-
supplementary.
They never objected to it, was
They
never
may not
challenged.
object, Mr.
No, no,
Awasthi.
what I'm
We
saying-
are not going to.
My lord, I am not on the merits of the case at all. I am
Then
just
what are
pointing
you,
out what are the
Mr.
facts, my lord.
Awasthi? All right, you pointed a fact. We are not accepting this.
My lord, so this is the first aspect, my lord, based on which this was done. Now, my lord, thereafter, my lord, we just have another order sheet, my lord. That is, my lord, order sheet dated that is 9/5/2025, my lord. That is another order sheet, my lord. 9/5/2025, my lord.
9/5/25.
Yes, my lord. There is also a compilation, my
There,
lord,
one
which
second,
contains.
there
all-
is no 9/5/25. 9, sorry, yes, 9/5/25. Yes,
Now, here, if my lord may have the second page, last paragraph. Second page, last paragraph, my lord. At the same time, it is the para starts with at the same
Yes.
time. Yes. At the same time, MP Nursing Council is also directed to prepare the list of students who are to be shifted from unsuited colleges to suited colleges, considering the available vacancies of the colleges, and invite choice of the students and accordingly shifting be made. It is further made clear that the nodal officer already acted on behalf of the high level committee shall be kept away from this proceeding so as to avoid any further illegality in the process of shifting. This direction is being issued only to consider the comfort of the student to make the shifting process easy so that the students may not suffer also and also not face any difficulty in prosecuting their studies. Now in thereafter, my lord, there is another
Yes.
now, my lord, may have ordered next order sheet is 21/8/2025, my lord. This order, my lord, which I just read over to my lord, this was there was a modification, there was a clarification application which was filed, my lord. Now, in that in furtherance to that, my lord, this order has been passed on 21/8/2025, my lord. Now, here, my lord, the answer lies so far as Rule 9 is concerned, which my lord's query was. Heard on IA number 15951/2025, which is an application for issuance of appropriate direction for clarification of order dated 9/5/2025. Before coming to the order dated 9/5/2000, it would be essential to refer to an order dated 28/3/25, whereby for the first time this court had passed an order in regard to rehabilitating the students of the unsuited colleges to the suitable colleges. The order dated 28/3/2025 was passed with a direction to the respondent to accommodate the students of unsuited colleges as a lot of time has passed and no action has been taken in order to rehabilitate these students. A time limit of 1 month was fixed from the date of the order. However, learned counsel for the petition submit that when they had started acting with direction as suggested by this court, certain allegations were leveled that nursing council of the state was indulging in sharp practice and were for consideration from private nursing colleges seeking to adjust the students there. It is in that backdrop the order dated 9/5/2025 was passed by this court, where this court had directed MP Nursing Council to prepare a list of students who are to be shifted from unsuited to the suitable colleges, considering the vacancies available. In that order, it was also made clear that the nodal officer who acted on behalf of high-level committee shall be kept away from the proceedings so as to avoid any further illegality in the process of shifting. Thereafter, the present interlocutory application has been filed, whereby at page 5, as per Schedule 1, the Learned Counsel for the Nursing Council has stated that as far as students of BSc Nursing, PWD, SC Nursing and MSP Nursing are concerned, can be shifted immediately to suitable colleges from unsuitable, provided Rule 9(3) of Rules of 2018 is relaxed. Rule 9(3) of the Rules of 2018 provides that where any student had to be shifted on account of excessive admission being granted, the same may be done within the same district itself. Learned Counsel for Nursing Council submits that this order is coming in the way because if it is to be complied with, it would not be possible to find the adequate number of vacancies for the student to be shifted from unsuitable to the suitable colleges. He has further submitted that if this rule is relaxed, then all students of the aforementioned courses can be shifted immediately. He furthermore stated that the students who are sought to be shifted will be given the preference of college of their choice for shifting, subject of course to the fact that number of students claiming adjustment in one particular college does not exceed the number of available seats in that college. The need to carry out this adjustment has been necessitated by on account of the fact that out of 800 colleges in which admissions were given, only 200 are found suitable, as stated by Learned Counsel for the petitioner and not denied by the Learned Counsel for MP.
9(3) prescribed maximum number of students.
G, maximum and shifting within the same district.
Permissible only in the same district.
But my lord, we did not have adequate number of seats, so we requested that it may be relaxed so that we can shift to other college.
Same is district.
It was for the normal functioning. It is an exceptional situation where students are not even there in the colleges. They are sitting somewhere in
Now
Bihar
there cannot be
and are
another
taking examination here in Madhya Pradesh.
The court has considered that which class, which semester,
My lord,
they should be shifted.
I bow down to the query, my lord. There is nothing, no such consideration, and there is no such order that from which year they are to be
Somebody was in
considered.
final year
Yes,
of
yes.
4-year course,
Yes.
3 years in one shop. 4th year he comes and he qualifies.
No, but my lord, in these cases, my lord, these are slightly different, my lord, because these are the students who were in first or second year, my lord, who have been now.
So let them take admission in first year again. Redo the course in normal, regular courses?
My lord.
Why should they be permitted?
Certainly, but my lord, there is two aspects to it, my lord. These are the students, my lord, who have taken first year examination, they qualified those examinations.
Mr. Awasthi.
That examination was conducted
Mr.
by the
Awasthi,
university.
who conducted the examination?
It's a university which conducted the examination. No, it was not the college which
MPNRC.
itself
Who,
took the
who
examination.
recognized these colleges?
MPNRC conducts,
MPNRC, my lord.
gives the
Who
recognition.
recognized them?
Yes.
On what action have you taken against your officers for recognizing these
My
colleges?
lord,
No action has been taken, my lords.
my lord, firstly, I'll again object to his submissions, my lord. In his case, there is no notices have been issued.
All right, issue notice accepted.
No,
by
my
the
lord, so far
council.
as his case is concerned, my
This,
lord, he is
my
a
lord,
part of the case, my lord.
notice.
I have very serious
Mr.
objection.
Awasthi, you have no legs to stand on, let us tell you.
No,
this.
No,
you
I,
come
my
here.
lord, so
Your,
far,
please tell us, we want a report, what action have you taken against each of these colleges
my
which
lord,
are in issue?
registrars, they have been sacked from the post, they have been dismissed from the service.
Inspection committee?
The inspectors who have been there, my lord, there is a departmental inquiry, the registrars who had accepted those reports, they have been, my lord, there is a stay operating in their favor in the High Court. That doesn't mean that we did not take action. There was a dismissal order which was passed against the officers.
How many did you dismiss?
My lord, 3 persons were dismissed.
3 persons.
My lord, may
registrars,
call for
three
the report,
registrars.
what action they have
Register
taken.
for 600 colleges.
My lord, because there was 2018,
600.
well, there was only one, there was only one registrar for the council and during these 3 occasions, my lord, this was done, so
Who
we,
granted affiliation to these 600 colleges?
ji, my lord.
Who granted?
2018 onwards, my lord, it's
Three
not-
bodies and successive
Out of 800,
failures.
25 were suitable.
Yes, ma'am.
200 were suitable out of 800.
Yes, yes.
What about other 600? How the affiliation were granted?
My lord, that was the basis on which, my lord, this entire exercise was
No,
undertaken.
no, Mr. Awasthi,
My lord.
this is a cover-up exercise. Let us tell you this.
My lord,
They will be happy if the petitioners were not here, the Law Students Association was not here, everything would have been covered
my
up.
lord, we have given credit
Please
to that,
tell
my
us,
lord.
we want,
on
Mr.
board, my lord.
Awasthi,
Ji.
we want a report. Out of these 800 colleges, you said 200 were compliant, 600 were non-compliant.
Yes, around.
These 600, each of the persons who were responsible for inspecting and recognition, we want to know what is status and what has happened.
Mal.
From bottom till the top.
My lord, my lord, my lord.
And you are coming and favoring these students.
No, my lord. We are just, my lord, so far as, my lord, the role of the council has been concerned, my lord, there was a change, my lord, in furtherance to which, my lord, the honorable court's order, there was an administrator appointed. There was not even a registrar thereafter, my lord. The court ordered an administrator to be appointed and those actions were taken in furtherance to their directions, my lord. But, my lord, my submission is, my lord, so far as today's hearing is concerned, my lord, there are 2 aspects, my lord. One is that, my lord, the examination were to start from today.
Mr.
And,
Awasthi.
my lord, the students.
Mr. Awasthi,
My lord.
no question of examination or declaration of
My
result.
lord, but all the students, my lord, because
Let them-
15,000 are
Mr.
there, my lord,
Awasthi.
only 2,000 are from unsuitable colleges.
Mr.
Remaining are
Awasthi,
from
too
suitable
bad.
colleges. But, my lord, they are from suitable colleges.
Suitable college is a different issue.
My lord, precisely my
Non-suitable
submission is
we are
this.
considering.
But, my lord, the problem is, my lord, we are not able to take examination of those students also. Unsuitable, my lord, I have
First,
given.
we want to see the list of how they were categorized as
My lord,
suitable.
my lord, my lord, may just have for a moment, my lord, so far as, my lord, declaration of result is concerned, and so far as, my lord, the new examinations are to be concerned, my lord.
Suitable ke permit.
If, my lord, may just have the IAM 337, my lord, 337.
CBI has declared them as suitable colleges. They all had recognition, all 800.
Yes, yes,
So after inspection, 200 declared suitable
yes, yes.
by CBI and the court appointed
We
committee.
also in
Those
2022,
will permit, rest we will not.
my lord, may just have for that purpose, if I may just
CBI
invite,
investigation is over or still pending?
that is over. They have submitted the
They
information.
registered any case or what?
Full data is,
No
there.
criminal case registered by CBI. Found nothing.
No, CBI found nothing,
Nothing.
no culpability.
Only the inspection has been done and the deficiencies which have
What
been there
about
in
cheating
respective
of these
colleges also that has been
15,000
given.
students? Cheating
Well,
of these 15,000 who are so-called paid their fee.
My lord, on a lighter side, my lord, in fact, what had happened during that period, my lord, even the CBI officers were caught.
taken bribe.
Taking bribes.
We pointed this
So
fact
they
in
were
the
taking action
court.
against them also, my lord.
We used to be-
My lord, 337, my lord, 337 for a moment, my lord, in the context of the declaration of result and examination, my lord. Because,
No, Mr. Awasthi, in this light, we should allow everybody. Why have anybody? and we will direct these people to take treatment
No,
from
my
these
lord,
nurses.
my submission is not at all that. My submission is only that, my lord, with that process of,
Shocking for the commission, shocking for the CBI not to find an infraction on a part of anybody. Somebody recognized the one-room college as a college. You mean to say bribe has not been taken?
There has been the deficiency in
CBI
relation to
is
the
no-
infrastructure also.
Sorry?
There has been the deficiencies pointed out by the CBI in relation to various infrastructure also,
No,
including the teaching
out
staff.
of 800, 600 were found to be deficient by you yourself. That means somebody recognized those colleges for valuable consideration. And no infraction found. 800 colleges. And we have photographs of one shop standalone in a village which is recognized as a nursing college. And CBI says no illegality.
No, we have pointed out the deficiencies also in respective colleges.
Deficiencies, but you've not found a culpable case enough for a charge sheet to be filed.
my lord, now, my lord, in fact, because
What
since
are you
my lord
showing
was, my lord, these are the photographs of the colleges which are now running, my lord. So as to indicate, because they
The
were
200
creating a
compliant or
situation.
non-compliant?
All compliance, my lord.
Show us.
These are the just have a look in the sample, Your Honor. This is what a nursing college should be like.
No, what are these photographs?
My lord, these are the photographs of the colleges indicating, my lord, that these are the colleges which are now recognized, my lord, and they are the one who are running the courses now. So we have taken,
These
all
are
steps.
recognized colleges.
These are the recognized colleges.
Position of these colleges earlier. These
my lord,
colleges were in
No,
the list
Mr.
of
Avasti,
there are two types of colleges, my lord.
why are you not showing us photographs of the unregistered colleges?
Though they have been, my lord, all de-recognized, my lord, they all have been closed down. They all have been closed down. Some have been, some
How many
have,
colleges are running as
my lord,
of
there were two
today?
types of colleges.
How many colleges are running as of today?
245.
245.
Five.
Out of 800, now only 245.
Then,
Now,
CBI has found nothing against others.
in reference, we have uploaded one, Your
No
Honor.
one favored to give anyone affiliation, anything.
Their
CBI has
own,
found nothing. No cognizable offense, nothing. No registration of FIR.
their own director medical education was running a nursing college in a MIG flat against whereas the rule says 23 thousand square feet.
CBI, it is not a case.
my lord, in
Their mandate
in
probably
fairness, my
was
lord, I may
limited.
just clarify, during this time, my lord, what
Chairman,
happened, there
I'm
was
sorry,
certain
Chairman of the
provisions, my lord,
MPNRC
that
Council.
the report is being made for the consumption of the court. Probably because of that, they might not have taken action, my lord.
During the course of investigation or inquiry, CBI came to know that this type of affiliations were granted by this.
Ji, ji, ji.
So, if
State.
these facts were come to the knowledge of the CBI, why they have not registered the FIR?
Have they sought permission from the court for registration FIR or no?
No.
We can understand CBI being cautious, matter is monitored by the court. so we may
Precisely,
not-
my lord, that might.
Precisely would mean here is culpability, please give us permission.
For that reason, my lord, since it was consumption, for the consumption of the court, that inspection was being done, my lord,
Not
probably because
consumption.
of that, they must not have
Not
registered.
consumption. Did CBI or has CBI sought permission for registration? Firstly, has CBI found any culpability? That's the first question. If no, then where is the question of seeking
Direction has
permission?
been issued by this honorable court itself to proceed for the inspection of the around 308 colleges, Lord. So
No,
that we have
inspection
done.
is different. Have you
And
found?
the regions which has been assigned in the
Inspection
continue with the deficiencies.
You were not trusted the inspection as a committee of the affiliation.
We followed the interim order which has been passed by this honorable court in, we followed the order, you know,
For
say.
the purpose of ascertaining whether anything happened at the time of granting the affiliation or not.
We followed
Otherwise,
the,
what was the purpose to entrusted the CBI this matter?
just in relations to finding out the status of the colleges, whether there has been some deficiencies in relations to the infrastructure and the other teaching staff, also that we have done, also. And the specific order has been passed by this honorable court in relations to proceed for the inspection of around 308 colleges at the first instance, also.
हाँ ये है
The IA number.
50 आई नंबर कैसी रिपोर्ट आई नंबर 7624
IA number 7624. किस में? Reference में?
ERP में ये नंबर 334
Lordships may kindly see serial number 334 and ERP. My IA, page 50, is something which I wish to point. There is a report of the CBI. What it says in the last paragraph, the nursing college is running in violation of the norms of various education boards, nursing council in the existing school building. College management has cheated not only CBI but also various councils and educational boards. Categorically they say, hence unsuitable. 334,
Page 50, my lord.
page 50,
50 onward, 48 onwards.
page 40 and onward, 48 onwards, but relevant is at page 50, which I have read, last lines. And the CBI reports that on the day of inspection, there were no students, no faculty members, parent hospital was closed, there is no audiovisual aids, no record of any clinical training or classes being held. These are just samples which we have annexed.
Related to these colleges, whether it was not the misuse of the powers.
There is one instance
Whether
where
the provisions of the PC Act will not be attracted. If there is a misuse of the power to grant the affiliation to this type of colleges, those who are not having infrastructure, laboratory, anything.
one person
Even
acting,
as per this report, CBI has found only 15.53% colleges suitable. Only 15.53%.
this is one report.
Only one report.
There is,
That was in
Despite
between.
that, you have not taken any action and you have not
there is one,
made any
ins-
application for seeking permission.
I will
Registered
seek
the
instruction on
offence
this
and
point, Lord.
Investigate the matter.
I will seek instruction on this
There
point.
is
also,
one
as to why
instance, Your Honor.
some criminal action has not been taken against these
All the
colleges.
persons though committed this type of fraud with the students and the society,
But
it is scot free.
one
No
person,
action against them. They are coming with a case. Permit us to declare the result. Permit us to conduct the exam. Everything will be happened. New batches will come. New admissions in only
you
suitable
will also
colleges.
based,
Everything
you will
will
also
be-
based on the inspection,
Everything will be closed.
you will also based on the inspections which has been done by the CBI by virtue of an order so passed by this on court, there has been the college which has been declared unsuitable. After pointing out the number of deficiencies pertaining to those colleges also. Otherwise, probably it would have been possible for all the students who have been the part of unsuitable colleges to participate in the examinations also. So far as the criminal intent also, that has not been done in this case.
there is one
But
instance,
also that inspection has been done by virtue of an interim order so passed by this on
Taken
court
against
also.
the responsible persons. No action. Big scam. Nothing happened. No one has been booked.
That should have been,
Everyone is free.
that should have been also. I will seek instruction on this point
They
also
will
as to why
declare the
action has not been
result.
taken.
They will conduct the exam. Everything will be over. Matter ends. No one was found responsible for anything.
there is one instance where one person is shown as a principal in 18 colleges. We could lay our hands, we scanned 1 lakh papers during our
Now,
vacations.
those 18 colleges, have they been categorized as suitable, non-suitable?
No.
Have you checked up?
बाद में पूछो, बाद में. पूरा
They're
data
not
नहीं दिया.
non-suitable.
They have not given us the full data. There was an order to give us
We
full
don't
data.
know. We don't
So
know whether
we-
they are categorized as suitable or not suitable.
Probably most of them would be unsuitable, Your Honor.
No, but
But
this particular
I-
instance that you're pointing out.
Yes,
That there is one principal in 18 colleges.
yes.
Are those 18 colleges categorized as suitable, unsuitable? Do you have?
Most of them must be,
Not most.
because they have not given us the full
You don't have
data.
the data.
We don't have the data by the latest data by the CBI.
The one
But as per our research, if we go by our research, then all the colleges will be unsuitable.
We have already provided all the
Because
data, Lordship, in the pen drive.
No, there was
Not the full
Subsequently, it has been
data.
filed also.
the direction that they will provide, state will provide you the facility of scanning.
Yes.
And then you will provide the data, soft copy.
Yes, sir, already-
What is the data of that
They,
order?
they have given data of suitable colleges, not of unsuitable colleges.
My lord, that is.
That is what is,
Action of this court
जी,
for
जी, ma'am.
providing the data and for providing the facility to the
3/7/25
CBI.
21/7/25
Yes, that
Three
is.
sa- 3/7/25.
31st July 2025.
third,
The
yes.
state is directed to provide the space and equipments including high-speed scanners to the CBI to ensure that they are able to expeditiously scan all those documents. The state shall also ensure that the infrastructure required for high-speed scanning along with required manpower is made available to the CBI within 3 days from the date of this order. After this, the CBI will start scanning those documents. Manpower should be also provided by the state. The manner in which this is going to be done will be not the concern of this court. The state and CBI can between them can work out how the infrastructure is going to be made available to them. And this complete direction was there to provide and file this data in soft copy before
Well,
this court.
16
What
nine.
happened?
16
Soft copies has been filed in also.
2025.
Soft copies has been filed.
16
And one copy has
No,
already
no,
been given
no,
to
they
the
have
side.
given data of
16.
shoot
800 की जांच करी 150 का सामान
16/9/25.
800 colleges they have inspected, 100 colleges data they have given
That
us.
the pen drive is on its way from Bhopal and the same would
It was
reach.
given to him, my lord. That pen drive
Only
was
Was
well.
it, was it filed? You have the pen drive?
Yes, Lord, so I have filed it, Lord, through the pen
That
drive.
is not the full
I've already-
data, it
I've
is-
already filed it, Lord.
That is not the full data. Only 100 colleges are there out of 800.
That has a list of all 800 colleges.
So, I'll also have to further verify it, otherwise, also as per the feedback which has been given by the IU concerned, all the data is as per pursuance of the dishonorable court also has been filed.
The CBI is directed to file the complete details and data with regard to the 800 colleges,
Yeah. All the colleges they have inspected.
of all the colleges inspected by CBI, and all the nursing colleges inspected by CBI. If not all, within a period of, before the next date of hearing, the CBI shall also indicate as to whether any culpability has been found by the CBI during their investigation stroke inquiry, and if so, what action has been taken by CBI. The nursing, this is called medical commission,
My lord,
No,
Nurses
this-
Registration
and-
Council.
nursing,
Uh,
nurses,
Registration Council.
Nurses Registration Council shall also place on record an affidavit indicating as to what steps have been taken, if any, against the officers who were responsible for granting recognition from time to time to the unsuitable and deficient colleges.
My lord, same direction may be given to INC also, Indian Nursing Council, because they were also one of the bodies.
They recognize them.
My lord,
Yes, they-
prior to 2018, INC used to give the recognition and.
Who's appearing for INC?
Mr. Mohan Solsarkar
Mohan
appears.
Solsarkar appears.
Nursing Registration Council is the Indian Medical Council.
Indian Nursing Council.
Indian Nursing Council.
Indian Nursing
Council.
Council and in our MP Nursing Registration Council, दोनों का कर दो. List on 12th May 2026.
My lords, I have a humble request.
My lord, so
In
far as my
item
lord,
number
our application is
19.23
concerned, my lord, our application is concerned, my lord, 337, my lord, students,
After all this,
my lord, 15,000 students are from suitable colleges, only 2,206, my lord, are from the unsuitable, my lord.
Mr.
But they all will
Avasti,
suffer, my lord.
Mr. Avasti, 800 colleges, 200 recognized, 15,000 from 200 colleges, and how many did you say?
My lord, 2,206.
2,000 from 600 colleges. So these colleges had 4 students.
No, if my lord may just, they were the one who have taken admission for the purpose of.
So there were 600 deficient
For giving
colleges.
For giving exams, my lord. These
We
are
will
the
see.
students who have qualified.
We will
for-
see whether we can accept this suitability also of these declared suitable colleges.
My lord, but they have already been done from. my
Let
lord,
them.
You have included the
It-
students, those who have been shifted from the unsuitable colleges and deficient colleges to the suitable colleges.
Not at all. They are only 800 in
There
number.
is a, Mr.
They are only 800 in
Avasti,
number. Others are not there, my lord.
questions are being raised on CBI declaring them suitable also.
There was there were twice in exam, the inspection has been done by
Five.
CBI.
So there is a question mark being raised on CBI
Because of
declaring
that
them
only,
suitable.
because of that only, my lord, their second
We
inspection
would
was
like
done.
to satisfy ourselves before we pass any order.
But my lord, they are the students from the, up now, my lord, there has to be some certainty so far as the suitable colleges are concerned. They will,
The
my lord,
only certainty as of now is take fresh admission.
my lord,
Other certainty we don't know.
my lord, these are the students from the,
Prime FSI, we are not in favor of anybody till the time there is clarity.
my lord, then what, my lord, these are.
What will be the fate? They'll take fresh admissions.
12, my lord, on 12/3, there is a, we give our intimation, my lord, we give our timetable that there will be an examination. At the last time when the students have
Without
prepared,
telling any
they have done
permission
their
from
travel
the-
arrangement, they have prepared, we have already dispatched the answer sheet,
When is the
question
exam?
papers. Thereafter, my lord, they come
When
forward
is
and
the
make an
exam?
application.
When is the
They were
exam?
to be started from today, my lord.
On what basis did you notify the exam?
My lord, on the basis of the honorable court's order, my lord.
Which order said you are permitted to conduct an examination?
My lord, these are, so far as, my lord, the final year examination for that
You
only,
had
my
to
lord,
start when 12/3.
my lord.
12/3, we are on 28/4 already.
No, no.
So that is
12/3,
gone.
Yes, my lord. So they petitioners had intimation, my lord, but they came at the 11th hour, my lord, before this court. And therefore, my
At
lord, the
least they
students
did
are.
come on the 11th hour. Mr. Avasti, why have educational institutions? जिसको मर्जी जो मर्जी डिग्री चाहिए ले लो और
These
कर
are
लो.
the suitable colleges, my lord. Had
we
it
are-
been,
there
if
are
I am
question
talking
mark-
about unsuitable
Mr. Avasti,
colleges, my lord can certainly have an.
Today we have doubts on the declaration of these colleges as suitable. We want to satisfy ourselves. If you are right, we'll give them permission. If you are not right, then we won't give them permission. Whether CBI classifies them as suitable or not, we just want to verify. That is why we want their entire data. You kept it on 11th of May, 12th of May. You have it on 12th of May.
My lord, sir, item number
छोड़ दो
19.23, let the notice, I pray for the notice.
You are appearing for whom?
I'm appearing for petition, individual person, my lord, sir,
Who is he?
he
Advocate.
advocate by practice, and it was his petition initially which was filed in Gwalior bench where the CBI inquiry and other things were done, my lord. So, my lord, there are few points which has not been raised in other petitions.
You can be here. We don't want to reopen the whole thing. These petitions have been pending for so long. So many orders passed.
My lords, may kindly come to page number 51 of my petitions, my lords. There is a letter by which it has been said that no action has been taken and these points are not being raised. उपरोक्त विषयगत लेख है